Hi everyone, my name is Mark John Boneta from Section 7, and for today's video I will talking about or discussing about the 2001 Kentucky fowl loss epidemic. So, in spring 2001, Kentucky's bluegrass regions faced a major crisis when thousands of foals were stillborn or dead shortly about the birth. The cause was traced to eastern tent caterpillars. Pregnant mares ingested caterpillars where the grease and their tiny hairs and toxins damaged the mare's system, leading to the pregnant loss. In the spring of the year, breeders in the bluegrass region experienced a devastating epidemic of stillborn and death of newborn foals. Investigations reveals that the cause of was linked to the eastern tent caterpillars, pregnant and mares grazing in the pasture contaminated. With these caterpillars suffered productive losses, a condition now known as a mare reproductive loss syndrome. So, the caterpillar's tiny hair and toxins damage the mare systems, leading the mares carries and stillborns and falls deaths. The caterpillar's tiny hair and toxins damage the mare systems, leading to the miscarriages, stillborns, and fall deaths. This was not just an isolated case in the Kentucky. Similar incidents have been reported in other states and even other grazing animals like sheep and cattle and can be affected. True horses remains the most vulnerable. So, in conclusion, the 2001 epidemic taught that in cat industry and important lesson about the connection between the environment and the animal health, promoting better management practice and to prevent future losses.